A whisper in the sky, golden rays unfold where shadows used to lie. The world is still a canvas yet to paint. A morning's gentle call, a heart without restraint. Breathe the air, it hums with quiet grace. Every moment blooms in this tender space. Oh, morning light, you sing to me a melody of hope, so wild and free. With every step, the day begins to glow. Morning's gentle call, where dreams and wishes flow. Birds in chorus sing, their voices soft and clear, echoes of the heart, the promises we hear. The coffee's warmth, the world in soft embrace. A fleeting pause,